Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will discuss about the tax information statement. We will be discussing the following points. What is TIS? How to view and download TIS? What is the password to open TIS? If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So let's start the video. What is a tax information statement? A tax information statement is a comprehensive document that provides detailed information about a taxpayer's financial transactions and tax related activities. This statement is essential for the assessment and verification of the taxpayer's compliance with tax laws. It includes various details such as income earned, taxes paid, deductions claimed, and other relevant financial data. For example, in the context of transfer pricing under Section 92E of the Income Tax Act 1961, a tax information statement includes specific details required to ensure that international transactions between associated enterprises are conducted at arm's length prices. This is part of a transfer pricing report which contains particular of transactions, methods used to determine arm's length prices and any other relevant information. The tax information statement plays a crucial role in ensuring transparency, accuracy and compliance with tax regulations, facilitating efficient tax administration and reducing the likelihood of disputes with tax authorities. Now we will see as to how to view the tax information statement. To view the TIS, you will have to log into the income tax portal. The link to the portal has been provided in the description below. You will have to log in here using your credential. So once you have logged in, click on e-file, income tax returns. Click on the last option AIS. Click on proceed. Now click here AIS. Now click here taxpayer information summary. Now you can view the taxpayer information summary here. If you can scroll down, you can see all the details here. Now in order to download the TIS, you can click on the download button here. Download. Now the TIS is downloaded and you can access it from your downloads. And if you scroll down here, you can see the password to open the TIS. The password is your PAN number in small letters followed by your date of birth in DD, YYYY format. Thank you for watching the video. In case you found this video informative and useful, like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video.